lean in. My goodness.
Hello guys and welcome to Motorbeam. In today's video we are talking about the ride review of the Xpulse 210. In the last video I showcased what this motorcycle has to offer. इसका walk around आपको clearly दे दिया था. And to tell you guys, this one comes at a price of 2,20,000 rupees on road Mumbai for the top end variant. There is a base variant option also and that one comes close to 2,05,000 rupees on road, which means 15,000 का price difference है. But if you consider the Xpulse 200 4V, which is a regular bike which is still on sale, और उसका price है 1,85,000, so comparatively 35,000 rupees का price difference है for the top end variant. And that there is a pro variant also जिसमें long trail suspension मिलता है, that is still on sale. So if your purpose is the pro variant का suspension चाहिए आपको तो get that. If you want the base Xpulse, you're getting new into this, you can consider the सादा Xpulse. But this one actually makes sense. आप वो Xpulse को भूल जाओ, सच्ची भूल जाओ, क्योंकि this one is so much better. You can actually learn on this. Even if you're new, it is perfect. Even if you're experienced, this is good for you because the engine is now liquid cooled and that engine delivers very good power. 25 bhp के आसपास मिल जाता है and close to 20 Nm of torque. And this one has that highway grunt. You can cruise at 110 km/h with a little bit of buzz on your handlebar and you can hit 130 ka top mark. It actually goes beyond that, but I was able to hit 130, which is quite nice for this. Consistent at 100-110. This one feels stable. The chassis has been reworked, the engine feels better, and this one is heavier. 170 kgs is the weight of this motorcycle, which is about 10 to 15 kgs heavier than the regular Xpulse. This one actually makes sense. Top end variant में आपको connectivity features मिल जाता है. The meter feels nice. The ride handling balance is so nice. It is actually very engaging. The moment you tip into corners, it actually holds the line well. Now these are new set of tires. These are from Eurogrip, and this is the all-terrain tires. This one is 1990 section, 21 inch front, 18 inch at the back with 120 section. So the tire balance is exactly the same as before, but you get a lot more other things too. The engine heat that you used to feel on the Xpulse coming to closer to your legs, यहाँ पे वो भी थोड़ा push down कर दिया गया है, तो the feel feedback overall is actually more enjoyable. It does not heat up as much as the regular Xpulse does, but this one is still quite nice. I really like the fact how the engine actually, the chassis actually is worked around in a way that the center में से मस्त exhaust आता है and ये bash plate भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा useful है. The ground clearance is also quite nice. The suspension travel up front is close to 205 to 210 mm. The rear one is 200 to 205 mm, and that is good enough to take your load. I actually like the handlebar feedback too coming into places, even with the pillion. I had a pillion, camera person जो यहाँ पे बैठे यहाँ पे लेके आते आते, I had to bring him here as a pillion, and even then I did not feel the handlebars going light. So this one feels quite stable at higher speeds, close to 100-110 km/h, while it feels even better at lower speeds, maneuvering through traffic, maneuvering to the worst set of roads. यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रहा है, to be very honest. I would have actually liked it अगर यहाँ पे सस्पेंशन जो है वो एडजस्टेबल रहता, like the pro variant you get in the Xpulse 200 4V. If it was adjustable, थोड़ा सा adjustability function आ जाता है and it would have made your ride even better. Now the functionality of the stock suspension that is there, best है. एडजस्टेबिलिटी आप यूज़ करोगे अगर आपको पता है कैसे यूज़ करना है, हाउ टू प्ले अलॉन्ग विद द प्रीलोड कंप्रेशन ऑल ऑफ दैट, इवन विद द रीबाउंड, ओनली देन इट मेक्स सेंस टू हैव दैट. बट फॉर अ स्टॉक सस्पेंशन सेटअप, दिस वन इज सॉफ्टली स्प्रंग. आई विल शो इट टू यू इन अ वे दैट you bring it here. It is so freaking nice यार. Even the rear suspension का जो feel feedback है, it is so good. Let me sit properly and show it to you. Bad patches of road takes on really well. Only thing is when you brake little harder, यहाँ पे braking का feedback जब आपको बहुत ज़्यादा sharp हो जाता है, that is when there is a nosedive that happens and you might feel that brake थोड़ा सा late हो रहा है, but then the braking feedback is actually quite decent. You get 3 levels of ABS. One, you can turn it off completely. Second will be rear off only, and third is the road, which is a stock ABS setup.
Now for example, I'm entering this corner right over here, and even at 100 km/h it is stable. The worst of roads, not a problem. I am going faster than 100, little bit of wind noise, but damn, it is stable, yeah. There is so much feedback to the handlebars. There's a little bit of fuzziness close to 8,000 RPM, but it still handles. This is a tight turn. Slow down, slow down. Oh my goodness. handling is superb. And the way this motorcycle sounds is just crazy यार. अभी तो बहुत ज़्यादा windy हो चुका है, but then again this one, the Xpulse 210 can handle 100 kilometers per hour stress free. That's the take. Let me try and do a 0 to 100 right over here. Good patch. Through the worst set of roads, actually gravel patches, बाकी का roads तो ठीक ही है, but on such kind of roads where everybody is going barely 20 kilometers per hour, I can stick at 50, maybe 60 and just glide through. If I stand up, it becomes even more better with my hands free, open. Now to change the ABS mode, all I have to do is hold the down button, and यहाँ से I can get a screen right over here. I can go to trail and stick to that. You see, this becomes yellow. But if I want to go to off-road, it will not. I'll come out, it will still say to trail. So if I want to go off-road, when I want to turn off the ABS on the front as well, all I have to do is come to a standstill right over here. Press that long button again. You can see just the rear is off. Off-road, now everything is off. And the best part is that once you're on the move, you get a good set of roads right like this. Long press this again, maybe for 2 to 3 seconds. Click on trail and it'll go back to trail. Or maybe the road, whatever you feel like. I'll stick to trail because थोड़ा rear sliding भी अच्छा लग रहा है. The Xpulse does it right here. The handlebar feedback is actually sweet.
Now you have seen how this motorcycle rides, and the feel feedback overall is so very good. If you own already an Xpulse, this one does not make sense for you at all. लेना ही मत. 400 में अपग्रेड करो या थोड़ा रुक जाओ, 421 आने वाला है ये Xpulse का ही, that will be the perfect sense for you. But if you don't own an Xpulse at all, that is when you should consider this. 204V को भूल जाओ. This one, the 210, is so good. Get the top end variant. Base variant के लिए सोचो ही मत, कुछ मतलब ही नहीं उसका. है मतलब ऐसा नहीं है, बट अच्छा खासा वाइज़र आ गया, नकल गार्ड्स आ गए, हैंडलबार का फीडबैक बहुत प्यारा है, टायर्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, सस्पेंशन सेटअप इज़ परफेक्ट, एंड द ओवरऑल बैलेंस ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि अब ये Xpulse इमेच्योर है. दिस इज़ द मैच्योर Xpulse वर्जन. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन. बाय.